Hey guys, don't have that much time to film this, but I thought it was important because there are a lot of people out there like myself who are busy but need to eat, and it's stressful and it's cold and we need comfort food fast. So I always make sure I have a can of clam chowder on hand because it's comfortable comfort food. You can't beat it. It's good to have it every once in a while, but the Live Your Life way is nothing basic. I always make it extra, and I always love to pimp out basic food, like pimped out mac and cheese, like soup. I always add something extra to make it even better. So in this video, I'm going to show you my trick I just invented, and I highly recommend it. Take a basic can of soup, clam chowder. We're going to add protein, and we're going to add vegetables and mix it up. So what I had on hand, I had the clam chowder, I had a can of corn because I was feeling like corn chowder and I didn't have it. So I added some corn to the chowder. I also added some chopped up bell pepper, red pepper, to make it nice. And to add protein, guess what I added? Clams, whole baby clams. You can get them in a can and add extra protein to your clam chowder for the fitness people out there like myself. And this is easy. I mean, it's not necessarily the healthiest meal out there because it's processed, but in a pinch, you can make it healthier by adding the protein, adding some veggies, boost it up a little bit, kind of beef it up, and it's almost like home cooked meal. You can imagine like you're having a home cooked meal even though you're not. So that's my recommendation. You can mix in whatever you want. I love mixing and matching different foods together to make them cooler than just like having it on its own. So yeah, this is my red bell pepper, extra clams, clam chowder. I even added some cracked bell pepper and chili flakes. Make it more interesting and fun. Always make sure I have different canned vegetables on hand to do that, and some fresh vegetables to mix it in. And this is how I survive the winter. This is a time of year about surviving, doing the best we can. Most important is to survive and be healthy as much as possible. Hope you like this trick. Let me know if you tried it and if you liked it. I'm not going to eat the soup like I usually do. I eat on camera, but somebody complained in my other video about the lip smacking, which I enjoy doing. So this is just to please him. This is a lip smack free version. Well, I can do one bite without smacking my lips. This one's for you, buddy. Lip smack free. Check out my other videos. Join the club. Be here. Happy you came. Bye.